Is Logitech G Gear great for graphic designers, editors, and creators? Let's find out in this video. All the products will be linked down in the description below. You can click the links and you can check out the gear. So first up, we've got this Stream Cam. It's a high quality built and sturdy design, which I love. And I love the gray sort of mesh felt type of design they went for. Really great. And I love the flexibility compared to like the old one, the C920, which I used to use. It was a bit stiff and you couldn't really turn it vertically up and down and left and right. But this one, very flexible. I can move it around to how I want and it fits nicely on the corner of my PC, so I can use it when I'm streaming, either when I'm on Discord doing some gaming with my friends, or just doing a live stream on YouTube for creating content. It's great. Works good for Zoom calls as well, and it works seamlessly with the Logitech G Hub as well. Great quality. It's 60 FPS and it's 1080p full HD. Quality is really crisp. I love the colors as well. It's pretty vibrant, and I can always just go into Logitech Capture app and just basically move things around, change the lighting, the exposure, the frame rate to 60 FPS, or I can leave it at 30 if I want. So I've got that flexibility, which I really like. It does overexpose the lighting a little bit, so I do have to adjust that when I've got my lights, front and center. So I'll just tweak it a little bit, but that's the only downside. Now for the desk, I've got the extra large cloth gaming mouse pad. It's the G840, and I'm loving the minimal design. It's sleek, it's simple. You got the nice big G logo on the right side, which just is very stealthy. And overall, it's smooth. It's a smooth surface. Don't have any issues. My clothes don't get caught on the cloth or anything. When I can glide the mouse and keyboard pretty simply. Now to accompany that, I've got the new G502X gaming mouse. It's a pro gaming mouse which has a really cool RGB light right in the middle of it, which adds a nice touch. It's got a whole bunch of buttons as well that I can program. It's got a specific DPI switch on the side, on the left side, and you can actually pull it out and swap it with just a flat surface, which is what I did, because I usually don't switch my DPI much, during gameplay or during designing or creating. So for me, I just switch it out, makes it easier. The other buttons are really sturdy and they are very clicky, so you can feel the push. They're very tactile when you click on it, and the mouse wheel feels, I'm feeling that vibration, that clickiness when I'm moving it, the magnet. And so now my hand's pretty big, low profile mouse compared to like something like the MX Master. It's completely wireless as well. Just plug in the USB into one of the USB slots and it works seamlessly, no issues. Now right next to that, I've got the G915 TKL keyboard, and this is an amazing keyboard. I love it because it's low profile, it's wireless, it has RGB as well, and you can all program everything with custom profiles right in Logitech G Hub. I prefer this version because it's compact, it's more shorter without the numpad, because I don't usually use the numpad. Stealthy looking, got a nice carbon feel to it. I can just press the game mode or the wireless mode on the top keys. That they've got custom keys at the top. Also, the volume wheel is a nice nifty design, and I can also skip my tracks on Spotify, or if I'm listening on YouTube, with the music menu options at the top as well. So it's great for typing. I've got the linear key, so it does feel tactile. You feel the press, it's nice, but it's not too, you don't have to press too far, because the actuation of the key is like short. It does connect via wireless. You just plug in the USB and it easily connects to my Windows, and never had any issues with it. It's pretty solid. And then last but not least, I also got to use the G733 headset. It's a wireless headset. Now I really love the soft, cushy pillows on the ears, on the earmuffs. It's really soft. Usually when I get headphones, like my ears get hot when I'm using it for a couple hours. But this one feels really nice. It's comfortable. I don't feel any strain. And I can also extend it up and down really easily. Just push on the side compartments, and I can actually adjust the height. It's also got this soft cloth band. Feels nice on my head. I don't feel like too much pressure. It's also got this jack where you can plug in for the microphone. The audio quality is pretty great. Now that one, for it to work, you have to plug in the USB into the computer, and then it should automatically connect. It's 100% wireless. I actually walked all the way downstairs and it was still connected. So that was like 5 meters or whatever it is. So wireless is pretty strong, solid build quality. There are some plastic bits that feel a little bit like lightweight and stuff, but overall, I think it's a great wireless headset. The Logitech G Gear is amazing. I think it's great if you're a graphic designer, editor, or a gamer. All three, it just works in every situation, and I'm loving it. I can't really fault Logitech. They build great products, and yeah, you can check out all the gear below. I'll put the links below. You can check them out, and I will be doing another video soon on my whole desk and workspace setup showing everything that I use for my setup. So if you're keen to see that, then just leave me a comment below as well that if you're keen to see a workspace video for 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll chat to you next time.